Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story not uploading problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open settings. So once you are in setting, then you need to click on app management and then you need to click on app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and first you need to clear cache and then storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to go back and click on permissions and allow camera permissions, as you can see that. Then you need to go back and open Instagram and then take a picture. Let me take a picture, and then you need to share that onto your story like this, and it will take few seconds to upload, and then you need to click on done. So here you can see that my story is uploaded. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.